Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge of Biology with Anjali Bhute. So today I am discuss with you mechanisms of the DNA repair. Okay, DNA repair into the prokaryotes such as the E. coli and all that is the bacteria, fungal, parasites and algae. All that's other involved to be some small microorganism into the prokaryote. So today's discuss with you mechanism of the DNA repair into the prokaryote. Prokaryotes are described into the two parts of the DNA repair. First is the direct repair and second is the SOS repair. What is the SOS? Save our soul. So look at that. What is the mechanism of DNA repair into prokaryotes? Prokaryotes. Prokaryotes, guys, divide into two parts. First is a direct repair and second is SOS repair. What is the SOS? Save our soul. So today I am discuss with you first part of the direct repair. Consider of the first is photoreactivation and second is alkylation. So take by screenshot for this guys because it's divided into the prokaryotes of the DNA repair mechanism as a direct repair and SOS. Direct repair is divided into the two parts. First is the photoreactivation and second is alkylation. And SOS is not divided into the some part because it's considered into the all of them. Okay. So take by screenshot. So I'm consider of you detail of what is the photoreactivation. Look at that. First process of the direct repair is a photoreactivation. Guys, very important what is the photoreactivation DNA repair mechanism. It's a very easy and it's a quickly understand to be DNA repair mechanism for the direct repair into the involve of the prokaryotes. Okay, so look at that. Photoreactivation means some dangerous of the light rays. Dangerous light rays actually to be such as UV lights are reacted into the sometime of the our DNA and damage to be their pairs. And sometimes they are considered to be same nucleotides, means same base pair are matched to be each other. These are the responsible of the consider of the covalent bond into the dimer. Means just look like a thymine dimer. Look at that. Just like this is the covalent bond. It's called as to be covalent bond as a thymine dimer. So photoreactivation is responsible to be considered of the thymine dimer. Dangerous of the UV light are reacted to be our base pairing and they are carried to be same nucleotides are matched to be each other, means they are considered they are formed by produced by as a dimer. Okay, because we are want to be opposite base pairing between the each other for the make by complete of the nucleotides. But these are the same, so it's considered of the responsible to be covalent bond as a dimer. Okay, so this dimer this dimer is repair involved by as a two cofactor. First is folate and second is FAD. These both are the cofactors. Okay, what is the folate? Guys, folate is a responsible to be absorb of the UV light into the thymine dimer. This thymine dimers undergoes of the UV light are absorbed to be worked as a cofactor for the folate. And after absorption of the light, these are the excited, more than excited, and these are released by the electrons. Okay, then after release by electron into the folate cofactor work for the FAD cofactor. Okay, this electron are catch to be this electron are catched to be FAD and this electron are converted into the FADH2. Folate is released by electrons. just like. And this electron after release FAD is catched and converted into the FADH2, and this FADH2 are this FADH2 are attached with the thymine dimer, okay, and they are totally portion for the covalent bond is removed, totally they are in denatured, okay. So this work it for the two factor into the photoreactivation is important, folate and FAD, okay. Folate is a absorbed of UV light into the undergoes of inside of the base pairing means covalent bond same, not in opposite, means that is the thymine dimer covalent bond. After absorption they are more excited and converted into the electron. This electron are cast to be FAD as a cofactor and converted into the FADH2. This FADH2 are reacted with the thymine dimer bond and they are totally denatured, okay. So this is a complete procedure of the photoreactivation as a DNA repair mechanism for the direct repair. Second, I consider of you take by screenshot for this, guys. So second is a alkylation. Alkylation, what is the alkylation? Alkylation in this process are involved by two alkyl group. First is nitrogen and second is Macetoria. Both are involved to be alkylation process, means both are reacted into the damaged base pairs or their nucleotides and completely removed and denatured by this portion, okay. So this is the alkylation process. Next, second part, it's a direct, okay. The second part is a SOS repair. SOS means save our soul. Word are considered to be total meaning of this repair mechanism, okay. I hope you understand, because save our soul means these are the consider and employed to be emergency situation, which is responsible to be considered as an emergency situation into this mechanism. So apoptosis, apoptosis, guys, is responsible to be considered into the emergency situation for the damage means totally denatured by the nucleotides on their base pairing, okay. These are considered to be emergency situation, okay, is responsible to be apoptosis, okay. Then that condition to be DNA molecules, DNA over base pairs are just like a death, okay, just like a stage to be employed as a death, okay. That condition we are used to be as a strong repair mechanism for the save our soul, means that timing we are used as an enzyme REC A. This enzyme emergency situation used for the consider of the apoptosis, which is then REC enzyme. This enzyme acted by onto this emergency situation and activated to be all that to be base pairs, means this portion are also removed and considered to be normal situation, okay. So it is a total of the DNA repair mechanism we are considered to be as I am considered for you guys into the three repair mechanism. First is the SOS, okay, it's also involved to be prokaryotes, and first is a direct repair, means there have to be 2 points as a photoreactivation and alkylation, okay. So many factors are responsible to be damage over the nucleotides, deamination, oxidation, depolarization, all that's to be. Some are the chemical and physical agents also employed to be our DNA part and sometimes to be denatured, okay. That consider that situation, guys, some emergency situation or normal or semi permeable situation, okay. That timing we are used to this different types of the repair mechanism to be repair our nucleotides and create by the normal situation, okay. I hope you like to be this video, and this is a totally of the repair mechanism are employed to be for the prokaryotes, not in eukaryotes. Next video I am discuss with you into the eukaryotes. Eukaryotes involved by which of the DNA repair mechanism? So this considered to be next video. Okay. So I hope you like to be this. Take by screenshot and thank you so much.